Hello! If you're here because you're looking for a reason to live by the beach, whether it's for a season to generate income, and that's with Airbnb, or to enjoy the Caribbean climate all year round. A few months ago, I discovered Puerto Morelos, and I was enchanted by its white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and the tranquility of a city that doesn't lose its warmth. It definitely makes it a place where I can have an exceptional quality of life, turning it into a hidden gem of the Riviera Maya. The day I decided to look for a place in Puerto Morelos, I considered some important aspects for the space and investment, such as capital gain, excellent amenities, happy clients, quality, good references, and of course, proximity to the beach. Thank you. That's why I chose Selva Escondida 2. It has more than I was looking for. Undoubtedly, buying a house in Selva Escondida 2 is not just an opportunity to own a property, but to have a home and improve my quality of life. This place has exceeded my expectations in every way. If you're thinking about taking this step, I assure you it will be more amazing than you can imagine. Welcome to your new life in Selva Escondida 2 in Puerto Morelos.